Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited package. This is a 7-passenger minivan in Parisian Night Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of our great exterior features include our turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, power sliding doors, and a power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside this Sienna and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, power sliding door buttons, as well as our power liftgate button. This Sienna does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, we can press these two lines right here to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as simple as putting our hands in the handle. On the bottom of the door, you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. Above it, you'll find your power windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as your fold-away mirror button. And next to the handle, you have your seating presets. Inside the door here, we also have this brown leather and wood grain trim that runs along the entire vehicle. Next to the handle here, we have our parking assist button, as well as our heated steering wheel. Convenient for those cold winter months. We got some storage space in here as well. Sienna is equipped with all-weather mats and brown premium leather seating, and on the bottom we have our power seating adjustment buttons. On the left side here, this cluster will allow you to control your entertainment screen. You also have your volume buttons, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. On the right, this cluster will allow you to navigate through the multi-information display. Down below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure assist and dynamic radar cruise control, and behind the wheel you will find your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any audio that might be playing. And on the right side, it shows that navigation map. We can press that, it is a touch screen, and that map will enlarge. You can set your destination through here. If we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you can see we have a backup camera direct view behind on the left side, and on the top we have a 360 bird's eye view. Moving down below that is our climate control system. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The rear passengers can do so, and the passenger in the front can do so as well. Down below, this is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats, as well as your USB and auxiliary and your 12-volt outlet. We can press this button right here. 2 cup holders will come out. And down below that, we have plenty of storage space, your 2 cup holders and a giant center console if we press that button, providing plenty of space. To open up, all we got to do is hold this left button on our key fob, and that power sliding door will open for us nice and easy. Taking a look inside, we are continuing with the all-weather mats in brown premium leather. Behind the front passenger and driver's seat, we have these little pockets providing some extra storage space. In the center here, we do have 2 cup holders for the second row passengers. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this upwards and then slide them in, and that will give you access to your third row seating. To open up, all we got to do is hold this bottom button now, and that will open up our power liftgate. Taking a look inside, even with the third row seating up, we have plenty of storage space along this bottom side. We have these shelves here as well. These seats do fold down. All we got to do is just pull this and then just push them down. You can see the crazy amount of cargo space with those seats down. Of course, the second row seating does go down as well in case you ever need that extra bit of room. And if we look inside here, we do have 2 cup holders on both sides for those third row passengers. To close up, we got this button up top. Just give that a press and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated steering wheel, a backup camera, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.